State and city workers will need to get vaccinated for COVID-19 by August 16th or get tested weekly. The governor announced today that he will issue an emergency proclamation to enforce the mandate. Public unions say not so fast. Manolo Morales reports.
State and county leaders made the announcement saying the surge in cases is already straining our hospitals and more needs to be done to stop the spread of the highly transmissible Delta variant.
Based on the current conditions, I must take action to protect public health and avert unmanageable strains on our health care.
They say they understand that there are people who are scared of taking the vaccine and don't trust the science, but getting more people vaccinated is the only way to return to normalcy.
Enough is enough already. Let's get back to the things we love most by taking the vaccine, limiting gatherings, and wearing our mask. The time is now.
They say those who choose not to get vaccinated will have to get tested for COVID once a week. There will be free testing sites, but those who choose not to go to a free site will have to pay for the test on their own. Exemptions will be provided, but it's still not clear how those will be determined. But those who do not comply could lose their job.
The fact that they don't have details worked out, details are forthcoming, they don't have a plan. This is typical of this administration. They grandstand with an announcement, but they don't have meat on the bones.
HGEA and the public workers unions such as UPW and those representing teachers, police officers, UH professors, and firefighters say they encourage their members to get vaccinated, but they say the unions should have been consulted.
Nothing has been sent over to the unions. No one has reached out to us to discuss any of this with us.
Teamsters Hawaii, which represents the bus and handy van workers, says it will file a complaint with the National Labor Relations Board.
We agree that people should be vaccinated, but we also believe that people should have a choice as to whether they want to be vaccinated or not.
The governor and the mayor say they have legal standing because this is an emergency proclamation. Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.